बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सेल डिवीज़न एंड सेल साइकिल। Cell division is a very important process in all the living organism. During the cell division of the cell divides and the DNA replications and the cell growth also take place. Cell cycle is the series of events that take place in a cell from its formation to its division. Cell is divided into three main phases. The first is the interphase, mitotic phase, and the cytokinesis. This interphase is the phase of the cell division between its formation and its division. It is the longest phase of the cell in the cell cycle. During the interphase prepares the cell for division by census and the duplication of the cell organelles and its DNA. This interphase is divided into G1 growth 1 phase, S phase, which is called as a synthetic phase, and G2 phase. This growth phase is the first phase of the interphase in which all the cell grows in size along with the organelles. S phase in the synthetic phase. During this phase, all these organelles and the DNA synthesis are taken place. G2 phase is the phase in which the DNA chromatides and the cell organelles grows into the size. After that is the mitotic phase, which having the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and the telophase. This mitotic phase in which the multiplication of all the cell take place. This phase has the nucleus of the cell divides to two daughter cells, and this mitotic phase is divided into prophase, metaphase, telophase, anaphase. The prophase is the first phase of the cell divisions and it lies 30 to 50 minutes. It is the longest phase of the mitosis. The next phase is the metaphase. During this prophase, we can say that the spindle fiber appears, the chromosomes are in the well-developed nuclear membrane. Metaphase is the phase lasted for 2 to 3 minutes. In this phase, all the chromosomes lies at a spindle plates and ester rays further develops to get attached to the chromosomes. Centrioles are formed, chromatides are attached to the central fibers, spindle fiber. And the next is the anaphase. It is the shortest phase of the mitosis which lasts for 2 to 3 minutes. In this phase, the nuclear spindles of the esters raise the short ends and pull the lobes of the chromosomes toward the respective centrioles. The chromosomes moves towards the nucleus while the ester rays becoming the shorter. This is the anaphase. The chromosomes are start moving, and the telophase is the last phase. In this phase, the chromatides surrounding the well-developed nuclear membranes started to develop again. The telophase is also the two daughter cells with having the same genetic material will be appeared. It means the parental cell divided into the two daughter cells having the same number of the chromosome. Cytokinesis is the last phase during which the cytoplasm and its matrix will be equally divided into the two daughter cells having the same and the identical genetic material as the parental cell. These daughter cell is the end product of the cell divisions and the cell cycle. We can say that during this cell division, all the process, that is cell division, DNA replication, and the cell growth hence have to take place in a coordinated ways to ensure the correct cell divisions and formation of the progeny of the cell. This cell division and the cell cycle was first observed by the Virchow in 1838. Cell cycle occurs in all the type of the cell except the nervous cell. Cell divide once in approximately within the 24 hours. The division of the cell cycle can vary from the organism to organism and from the cell to cell. This is all about the cell division. Overview, we can say that interphase is divided into growth 1 phase, growth 2nd, and the S phase. Mitotic phase is divided into metaphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and the telophase. This is all about the cell division. Khuda Hafiz.